This is the 2022 Tesla Model Y. These are the headlights. Very, not too aggressive, but different. And this is the front grille overall. Pretty sleek, pretty cool. Then we get down to the wheels. I really like the wheels on this Tesla. Very stylish. Then we have this black bulge. This black bulge is actually a camera that helps you see on the side of the vehicle. Or if somebody parks and someone decides to kick your vehicle, you can see it on the camera. These are the two body lines that goes off into the distance and it just keeps going and then gone. Now here we have the tail lights and here's the back. Pretty nice. And with the tail lights, you also get a charger port. Now looking into the windows, you might think it's a regular window, but no. That's where the camera is. Also another side camera. To open one of these Teslas, you get a Tesla key, well, card. You have to put it here and that locks the vehicle. But if you do it again, that opens the vehicle. Then you have access to the cool door handles down here. Very hard to open when it's icy though. Model Y. Well, you got some basic seats. For $100,000, I expect better. When you go in, very minimalistic. I can't even say that word, but you guys get what I'm trying to say. Just a screen, nothing else. Air vents in here. Here's your steering wheel. Charger port, so if you put your phone down here, you can charge it. You have to put your key right here to turn on the vehicle. So if you want to drive, you have to put your key down here, right under the glove box. So here's a space, pretty decent. Here's the back seats, very basic back seats. And you also get panoramic roof. If you're not good with technology and phones, this screen is definitely not for you. You literally even have to turn it up using the screen. Even to move the steering wheel, you have to press this. And then you have access to move the steering wheel up or down. Fold-in mirrors. Nice. I don't think I really want to die. You kind of get this brush wood design and it goes off in the distance. You get some cheap Alcantara right here. Not really the greatest. Storage space. Okay. Press the button to close it. Dual motor, by the way. There are so much more features on this screen, like autopilot, locks, light, display, trips, navigation, safety, service, software. There's so much where I cannot go over all of it. But what I can do is a POV drive. You can go, dog. Does he want to go? Oh, I guess he doesn't want to go. Okay, whatever. Let's go this way today. So this car picks up. Whoa. Holy. Now, you cannot mess with the electric cars and the indicator. Holy, the indicator would not come off, but you cannot mess with the electric cars and the acceleration. The acceleration is, whoa, crazy, 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 crazy. Oh my God. It literally threw me back in my seat. Wow. Wow. Like, I don't really like electric cars, but now I'm starting to like them just a little bit. I'm always gonna pick engine over electric any day, but this is different. Like, I like how it feels. The steering wheel, the leather on it feels gorgeous, nice. Almost like a luxury car. I guess it is a luxury car, but not really. Like, if you look in the door jambs, you can see a lot of spaces, gaps that should not be there. But overall, how it drives is very, very smooth. I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna lie at all. Okay, let's press X here. So right now I got it in sport mode. You can change the modes, like you can see how much battery life you have. Let's try the autopilot. I don't know how you try this. I don't know how it works, but or I tried that. Wow. But this is supposed to be an SUV, by the way. This is not the car. Oh, there goes our Tesla key. Ugh. The brakes feel very nice. I did that on purpose, and the brakes are okay. I gotta give credit where credit's due, and overall how this vehicle drives is very nice. Like, you don't hear too much cabin sounds, and the acceleration different. But I always have to stick with engine. I'm sorry. I can't bother with the 15-minute charging. Like, you charge your car, you literally have to wait 10 minutes. When you could just go to the gas station, get you some gas, and it takes probably like a minute or two. So for time, this is not it. And if you want to like go on long trips, you're gonna have to trip plan because not everywhere has a charger. That's some more cot storage in there. Let's let this guy go. This car also kind of brakes by itself. So if you come off the gas, like, it'll slow down for you. Whew! Gee! Fast, but not really. Now we're gonna do highway driving and tell you guys how it feels. This indicator pisses me off. Oh my gosh. Like, if you push it up, you have to take it off. You always have to remember to take it off. I don't know if that's a problem with all the Teslas or if that's just how they made it. Okay, do a little acceleration here. Wow. Wow. It literally throws you back in your seat. This is not even the fastest one. This is the Model Y. I want to know what the fastest one's like. It's just like instant, 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 instant. Jeez. Wow. Crazy. Crazy. It's literally just instant power. It's too nice. Person behind me needs to chill out. How does it take corners? Give it a little bit of gas. It's kind of icy. Don't want to do too much. It's kind of confident. It's definitely confident around the corners. I hate how there's no engine sound. Having too much fun. I like the auto braking. Like, as soon as you get off the gas, it starts braking down for you. I don't know if it's like, I think it's like a downshift type thing, but without downshifting. Literally no one can. You are literally the fastest. Like when you're when you're accelerating and it's just a short race, you're the fastest. But when it comes on to those long races and you're dealing with those big Lamborghinis, BMW M's, the engine will always catch you back. Always catch you back. The electric car just can't hold power top end. It just can't. Just low end. Low end killer all day. So that was it for the Tesla Plaid, a little review, POV drive. If you guys like this video, make sure to drop a like. Make sure to subscribe and also comment. And you already know. NMI, actually let's do it on this side. NMI, we out.